In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer funds from your Binance Futures wallet to your Spot wallet. Let's dive right into it, ensuring you have a smooth and seamless experience. First, you'll want to start by logging into your Binance account. You can do this on either the website or through the app, whichever is most convenient for you. Once you're logged in, you'll need to navigate to the Futures trading section. It's crucial to ensure that you choose the correct subsection. This is where you'll decide between USDS M Futures and Coin M Futures. The interface you select should match the type of futures wallet you're transferring from. This ensures that the process is streamlined and you're not running into any unnecessary errors. Next, you'll want to look for the Assets widget. This is an essential element you'll find typically in the bottom right corner of your futures interface. Once you locate it, go ahead and click on the Transfer button within this widget. This action will initiate the transfer form you need for the transaction. Once you're in the transfer form, you'll face an important choice. Here, you need to specify the direction of the transfer. Now, you'll often see a From field and a To field. For this task, your From selection should be your Futures wallet, and your To selection should be your Spot wallet. If for any reason the direction defaults incorrectly, don't worry. Simply use the swap or switch icon provided to adjust it to the correct format. Moving on, it's time to select the specific asset you want to transfer. This might be cryptocurrency like USDT or BTC, depending on what you hold in your futures wallet. Once you've chosen the correct asset, specify the precise amount you wish to transfer. It's important to be certain about the details here, the currency and the amount, so double-check this to avoid mistakes. After you've filled in all these details and reviewed them, proceed by clicking the Confirm button. When you do this, the transfer will be executed, and within moments, the funds should reflect in your Spot wallet. Finally, it's always a good practice to verify that the transaction went through smoothly. So, head over to your Spot wallet and check your balance. The funds you transferred should be there, ready for you to utilize them. Whether you want to engage in spot trading or plan a withdrawal, your assets are now optimally placed for either activity. And there you have it, a straightforward guide to transferring your funds from Binance's Futures wallet to your Spot wallet. Thanks for joining me today, and happy trading.